The all-new Structure Sensor 3 toughens up with our most durable, longest-lasting, and most powerful scanning platform to date. Along with hundreds of apps built on our SDK and the power of AI in the cloud, Structure Sensor 3 makes precise 3D modeling and analysis accessible and ready for implementation in your daily practice. From prosthetics to ski goggles to implants and occupational therapy, our platform streamlines the process of creating personalized custom goods and therapies. With an all-new neural processor, a fully redesigned sensor, advanced Structure SDK features, and anatomic landmark detection and measurements in Structure Cloud, Structure Sensor 3 is our most powerful platform to date. The all-new Structure Sensor 3 has been redesigned based on customer feedback and enhanced specifically with healthcare providers in mind, pushing the limits of what's possible with more battery life, a sensor redesigned from the ground up for the rigors of your practice, and more performance than ever. Our all-new battery is 3 times larger and designed to last you through an entire day of scanning. Hundreds of hours of quality testing ensure that your sensor will retain its precise factory calibration for longer, delivering consistent scans every time. Whether it's at the clinic or in the field, Structure Sensor 3 is designed with the rigors of your practice in mind. Custom prosthetics no longer require outdated plaster molds in the fabrication process. Precise measurements enable immediate 3D printing, speeding up development timelines, and making the custom fitting process better for both the patient and provider. The all-new Structure Sensor 3 has been designed with our customers in mind. We've rethought our products from the ground up to simplify your 3D scanning workflow, so you can create custom therapies in just a matter of minutes, letting your patient be the focus. Upgrade to Structure Sensor 3 today.